gonna do? He's gonna yell at us. Just run. Wait, stop. We need to clean it up. How about Misco? Let's go.
Founded in 1962, Misco Products Corporation is a manufacturer of liquid cleaning chemicals.
What we do is we'll talk to the customers and figure out what type of product they want, what they want it to look like, what they want it to smell like, basically what function they want it to perform, and then how they want it to look. There's just an infinite number of possibilities of chemicals that we can.
The environment of manufacturing here at Misco is a very supportive, learning, growing environment. People are encouraged to take risks, challenge themselves, challenge each other, tackle new opportunities anytime that they arise. It's a pretty exciting place to be. Manufacturing is going to be around as long as there's people on the earth, as far as I can see. Everything that we have around us is manufactured. Our clothing, our tools, our equipment, our tables, our chairs, everything in your house, everything in your school, everything in your environment around you, for the most part, has been manufactured.
All of our customers, to give them that unique package that they want and come up with different ideas on how we can make it unique to them to fit their needs.
Significant satisfaction of really creating something.
My favorite thing about Misco is really its people. We hire a bunch of different types of people from different countries, and the different personalities that I work with. It's just a great dynamic team. Everyone contributes something different, and it's wonderful to work with each and every person that is here.
Manufacturing is being able to supply the greatest you can to your customers. With teamwork, you can go from having simple chemicals to creating the next biggest invention. I don't know about you, but that's pretty cool.